Hi everyone, my name is Elena and I'm an English teacher. I got a degree from Khabarovsk Pedagogical University and also I have my master's degree from Rutgers, the State University of New Jersey, USA. I've been teaching English for at least 20 years and I've been with UNITY for over 15 years now. I love my job because every day is different for me and every student is different. In my classes, we try to have fun. We try to integrate all the aspects of studying the language, such as grammar, reading, listening. We sing songs, we watch videos. I especially enjoy working with adult students. So if you've been thinking about learning English for a while now, but something has been stopping you, you've been thinking that it's not for you, that you will fail, it's not true. You will succeed. Please come to UNITY. Learning a language is an endless journey, and I would like you to join me on this journey. Хватит пытаться выучить английский. Приходите в UNITY и выучите его уже, наконец, вместе с нами.